The rainy season is near the end, and the breeze is pleasantly warm. It's time to see flowers that pop out of the ground all over Central California. Yes, there are plenty of places to see wildflowers outside the boundaries of the San Francisco Bay Area cities. But here we are, just a mile away from Facebook headquarters, practically on the busy Highway 101, and yet enjoying a gorgeous view standing on the top of the hills of Bedwell Bayfront Park. We already featured this place in one of our previous videos in October, when the salt ponds are saturated with sodium chloride up to the crystallization point, and algae pigments mix in the shades of red to create a spectacular display. In spring, however, the colors come from plants, the carpet of vivid green grass with bright spots of orange flowers. These flowers are called Gazania, or treasure flower. They are native to South Africa. Africans called Gazania butterblom, meaning butter flower. Its floret supposedly tastes like butter. I've read stories that Africans used these flowers to make dresses for girls. Look at these snails. They were probably hiding inside the flowers during the night, and maybe eating some parts of the flower. The Bedwell Bayfront Park is a great place to hike, run, bike, play with a kite, and walk with dogs, but it also has a curious attraction: the stone sculptures known as the Great Spirit Path. This is a cool project of a local artist, Suzanne Dunlap, who wrote a poem and made stone installations that symbolically reflect different passages and words from the poem. Boy Scouts placed plenty of signs in place, and people now can take the trail, which brings them from the west side of the park eastwards, following the poem written with stones. If you will ever go there, find the poem and read it. It's a unique experience. Now, let's get down to earth. Actually, under the ground. These hills are made almost entirely of trash. Just 4 to 6 feet below the grass is a landfill, 5 million tons of garbage, dating back to the 1950s to early 80s. What leaches down is being collected and pumped into a treatment plant. The methane is also being taken care of and supposedly burnt to generate electricity. This whole place is a testament to a beautiful transformation that happens thanks to people with foresight and to never-resting nature that, being given freedom to operate, can successfully erase the remnants of human activity. Let's face it, humans come and go. Nature is here to stay. So, enjoy while you are still around, my fellow guest. Good luck and have a great life. Bye-bye!